Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you some of the hottest kitchen design trends that are coming up in 2024. Trends in kitchens are kind of slow moving. I mean, it's not easy to change out the look of your kitchen from one moment to the next, obviously, but if you're planning to renovate your kitchen or just looking for some inspiration, then you'll want to stay tuned. The first trend is all about color. Gone are the days of the all-white kitchen. In 2024, you'll see more creative and exciting color schemes that reflect our personalities and moods. We're looking for warmer and more nourishing shades, earth tones, jewel tones, rich in color. I love this kitchen. The deep blue cabinets combined with that blush of raspberry on the walls perfectly balances this vibe. It's so yummy and delicious. Or this combination of deep cranberry and muted peach. It's all about rich color. Notice this blue palette with the addition of striking color in accessories and furniture. It's an injection of full-on color. And it's not only about deep, dark color. I love this breath of fresh air, mustard yellow and cream, checkerboard floor with white and red, rich, intentional color. But if you're having a hard time deciding on what colors to use in your future kitchen, then look to green. Green is one of the most popular colors moving into 2024, and it's been a popular color for the last few years. Green is such a satisfying color, perfect for a kitchen. I love deep forest green paired with crisp white details. Green is inviting and calming. It pairs beautifully with wood tones. Since warm wood grain is such a big trend, it adds that touch of warmth to your kitchen as well. Look for wood tones to be mixed into your green palette in surfaces or furniture or even your kitchen island. I love the green on the walls here. It balances the dark cabinets on the bottom and it fills the space. Shades of green on traditional cabinetry adds an old world charm to your kitchen. But green on flat panel doors for a more modern aesthetic can also make your kitchen feel fresh and inviting. Basically, kitchens are all about the color. You can use color on your cabinets, your walls, or your accessories, but don't be afraid of all that color. The next trend is rethinking the layout and functionality of your kitchen. Open concept kitchens are losing popularity in 2024 as people crave more privacy and separation in their homes. Instead, we'll see more eat-in nooks, communal seating, and large islands to allow for as much seating as possible. It's all about sharing time with family and friends in the heart of the home, the kitchen. Eat-in nooks like this one is a great way to incorporate windows and built-in seating. From a design perspective, this nook gives you the opportunity to add pillows and soft seating into your kitchen. It also allows for additional details like a pendant light fixture and some design-savvy chairs. All of these details add warmth to the kitchen. Some nooks can be small. Tuck them into the corner like this. Again, notice the seat cushions, the light, and the furniture. All of it adds so much charm and interest to the kitchen. Kitchen tables are coming back strong. I love the idea of a communal table in the center of your kitchen. There's no better way to invite others to your home than inviting them to your kitchen table. It's a great way to add a warm wood tone to your kitchen as well. And finally, kitchen islands are not necessarily going away. The number one ask from my clients is to have an island in their kitchen. But the need for seating at the island is important moving forward. The trend is actually for bigger islands with lots of seating, enough to accommodate the whole family. And stools need to be comfortable. Kitchens aren't just about cooking, they're about enjoying the meal with one another as well. So we've talked about color being a big trend, but the other big material for kitchens is wood grain. A few years ago, wood kitchens started making a comeback, but instead of going all wood for your kitchen, the bigger trend, or at least the trend that seems to be holding on, is to combine wood elements into your kitchen and mix it with other painted finishes or other materials. Wood is a versatile and timeless material that can be used for your cabinets, countertops, floors, or accessories. Lighter woods like birch or maple are perfect for that Scandinavian look or even a soft modern aesthetic. The wood cabinets here make this modern look feel warm, timeless, and inviting. And here, with a mix of painted wood and wood grain, it's all about a balance. Darker woods like walnut or cherry can be a beautiful addition to a more traditional kitchen. The color and grain can add richness and texture to a kitchen. But again, it's all about the mix of finishes. The mix is what makes the whole kitchen feel interesting. Hey, do you need personalized interior design advice? I offer up 30-minute video design consultations, and I've helped so many people with their own design questions about their homes and even their kitchens. If you're about to embark on a home renovation, all you need to do is head over to my Patreon page for all the details. Plus, hit that like button if you're enjoying this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for helping me grow this channel. The next biggest trend is the uninterrupted countertop and kitchen backsplash, using the same slab material on the backsplash as you do on the countertop. This isn't exactly new, but it's definitely becoming more and more popular. And the most popular material for this look is quartz because it's easy to clean and it comes in large slabs for that seamless look. However, I love this trend when it's used with statement marble or stone. I think Mother Nature's artwork is on full display when you use it for your counters and then extend it up on the wall as a backsplash. Paired with those rich colors I talked about earlier, and you've got the potential for a beautiful kitchen palette like this. And finally, the last of the trends that I'm loving for kitchens in 2024 is all about curves and rounded edges. If you saw my last video on interior design trends for 2024, you'll have seen that curved furniture is still a big trend for our homes. This is especially true for kitchens and kitchen cabinetry. Curved kitchen islands are a great way to soften the edges and corners of the island. It's a very custom look. But other curved details like a fluted surface will be a big design detail. This fluting can be seen on islands, but also on cabinet doors and feature elements like this hood. The opposite of a fluted door is a reeded door. You'll see cabinet surfaces treated this way as well. And you'll see this detail in lighting and glass as well. Curved shapes, fluted or reeded panels, all of it adds softness because of their curved edges and profiles. So here's your takeaway. Kitchen design takes time to solidify because it's one of the most expensive rooms in our homes to change and renovate. The key here is that kitchens are becoming more of what they've always been, the heart of the home. And this new heart is warm and inviting and full of character. No cookie cutter kitchens. The latest trends in interior design reflect our desire to want warmer spaces with more color and more personality, and this is especially true for our kitchens. If you haven't seen my video on the latest interior design trends for the upcoming year, head over to the link in the description below. It's a love-hate thing for everyone. We either love the trends or we hate the trends. I break it all down, so go on and watch the video. Did you know that I can give you personal interior design advice? Head on to my Patreon page. I've got lots of tiers, including one where you can schedule a one-on-one video consultation with me. My patrons and I have tackled so many projects this year, including some amazing kitchen designs. So if you feel like you need some advice for your future kitchen or any other design challenge, find me on Patreon. And a big shout out to my patrons. Thanks for watching this little design tip. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss the next video. Leave a comment and let me know if you're loving colorful kitchens. If you could paint your kitchen any color, what color would that be? I'm excited to find out. If you like this video, please hit that like button. It helps to grow this channel. See you soon.